Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Facebook profile monetization. To begin earning, you must first activate professional mode on your profile. This unlocks a suite of tools designed for creators. Eligibility for these features depends on meeting specific criteria, which we will cover. It is also crucial to consistently comply with Facebook's content and partner monetization policies to maintain your earning potential. To qualify for most monetization tools, you need to be at least 18 years old and live in a country where these features are available. Your profile should also have a minimum of 5,000 followers. For video monetization, aim for 60,000 minutes of total watch time across your videos within the last 60 days. Additionally, ensure you have at least 5 active public videos or posts. Facebook offers several ways to earn. In-stream ads allow you to monetize videos with short advertisements. Fans can show support by sending Facebook stars during your live streams and reels. You need at least 500 followers for stars. You can also offer exclusive content through fan subscriptions. For brand partnerships, the Brand Collabs Manager is available once you meet its specific requirements. To maintain your monetization eligibility, consistently create original and engaging content that adheres to all Facebook policies. Regularly monitor your status in the professional dashboard to address any issues promptly. Avoid any violations, such as using copyrighted material or posting misleading content, as these can lead to demonetization. Authentic engagement with your audience is key to building a loyal community and ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.